waffles. Mama's gonna cook Lomi. Lomi. Hi, Ayita. You excited? I'm gonna be making a Filipino dish, which is Lomi. I've never done it before, so I had to Google a couple of recipes. So yeah, so this is the noodle I'm gonna be using. It's this one right here. I'm not sure if you can see, but it looks like a regular thick egg noodle. I also got pork belly. I have some green onions, some onions, garlic. For the broth portion of the soup or the Lomi, I like to use, I'm gonna be boiling pork feet. And because my family likes it spicy, I'm gonna be tossing in a couple of red chilies as well. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I do like to use small chopping boards. Just like that. It's my garlic right there. Our peppers. Just like so. Pot of hot water with pork feet in it. 4 pieces of red chili peppers. And then a half onion. And then I'd say 6-7 cloves of garlic, and then a tablespoon of black pepper. So that's what I have for now, and that's gonna boil, I'd say, for at least an hour or so, and then we'll be right back. This is my pork, and I'm just gonna cut it. And some here. Hi, Was. So this is the amount of pork I have that I'm gonna go ahead and fry. I'm gonna go ahead and put salt and pepper in it real quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and fry the rest of my pork bellies, which we're gonna turn into crispy, kind of like chicharron, but I'm not sure if I can make it into a chicharron kind of consistency or texture. This is what we have here at home, so this is what I'm gonna be using. Then we're done, you just wipe it. A couple of garlic cloves in there. Kiss, Mama. Kiss. Kiss. Off. Very good. This is the fish sauce and some chicken broth. And I also need some cornstarch to make the soup thicker. So stir it, stir it, stir it. Also add in 2 eggs. Crack some eggs. And then you just noodles, go ahead and do your water. I like to do it with cold water. Do that. This will get rid of like excess oil on your noodles. Adding the noodles here. In there, some fried pork and some onion. Let's try the broth first. The broth is really good. How do I explain that? It's like brothy. It's more brothy. You can definitely tell it's pork. They're really good. And I like the noodle that I got because it's very chewy. I don't like my noodles soggy, so this is perfect. Say oh! Now bye, but I'll see you in a little bit.